Wake up and support your country. Support each other. Support them forever.
كلدين وآمن سنتاي أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حوي مستاي دارون متاي إزاغتاي كلي وآمن سنتاي أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
Stop fighting each other. Come back with strength and joy and be friends again.
So waxaan ku sheegaa dagaalka rabshaka aniga saana aniga haana waxaas dhan iska dhaf kulli isku mid aan nahay.
Multinational corporations who are coming and basically just expropriating or stealing or pirating
right.
fish. You know what I'm saying? We're talking an estimated $300 million per year is stolen from the Somali coast by European corporations in the form of fish. You know what I'm saying? Now, of course, this is how the Somali people sustain themselves. This was their livelihood, which is now taken away from them.
So, ask Kana. Everybody pick each other up. Let's get this shit together. Kuli. Dagaalka iska dhaf. Rabshad iska dhaf. Ayga iska dhaf. Qabiilka haana iska dhaf.
It's time to look forward and take command, defeat your enemies, and unite once again.